Hey folks, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to look at dividing integers, and this is going to go really quickly. If you watched the video on multiplying integers, dividing integers is almost exactly the same. In fact, the only difference is that now you're dividing instead of multiplying. Isn't that a mind blower? All right, so the two rules, let's review them. The first is if you are dividing integers with the same sign, your answer will always be positive. This looks familiar, doesn't it? All right. So we've got two positive numbers, positive answer. Two negative numbers, positive answer. So you just go ahead and carry out your division, and your number is positive. So here we have the answer 3, and here we have the answer 9. All right. The second rule is exactly the same. If you are dividing integers with different signs, your answer will always be negative. So if you're dividing a negative by a positive or vice versa, you will have a negative answer. So negative 30 divided by 5 is going to be a negative 6. And 16 divided by negative 2 is going to be a negative 8. All right. Familiar. Let's do a few more practice together. All right, so just like before, I'm going to go through my problem set, and I'm going to mark whether my answers will be negative or positive. So this first problem, I've got a negative divided by a positive, so my answer will be negative. Second problem, a negative divided by a negative, my answer will be positive. Next problem, a positive divided by a positive, that's easy. All right, next problem, a positive divided by a negative, I'm going to have a negative answer. Down here, again, a negative divided by a positive, negative answer. Finally, a negative divided by a negative, I have a positive answer. So then I can just go through and write my answers in. And it is just as simple as that. All right. So I hope that I helped you. Thank you for joining.